Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about a couple key features that you should pay attention to when you're test driving the CX-5. First and foremost, we have the soft leather steering wheel. Very inviting to the hands, very comfortable. Feels good in your hands. Another feature is going to be the seats. The seats are ergonomically designed to fit your back and position your hips as if you're standing and walking. What this does for you is A, it helps to eliminate driver fatigue. Very important when you're on the road. B, the vehicle feels like an extension of your own body, which makes for an engaging, safe, but very fun drive. Another feature we should pay attention to when you're driving, Mazda has something called G-Vectoring Steering Plus. And what that means to you, when you're driving the vehicle and you're taking a turn at a higher speed, the vehicle takes the torque off the front end, puts the torque on the back end, and then applies brake force to the outer wheels during the turn. What this does for you is that it balances your SUV and it greatly reduces the G-force inside the cabin. So that when you're turning your Mazda, your body isn't turning with it. Once again, it's all about safety, engagement, and fun when you're driving a Mazda. Last but not least, Mazda also has incredible low-end torque. What does that mean? That means when you give this car gas, it goes. Its 0 to 60 is pretty incredible. Mazda has eliminated the engine lag and turbo lag that you will experience in most vehicles. Once again, making it an engaging, safe, and fun drive. One more feature I need to point out that Mazda has that few salespeople talk about is called linear braking system. With linear braking system, when you're driving the car, if you have an emergency stop, and you have to slam on the brakes, and it happens to all of us, at least once in our lives. When you slam on the brakes with other vehicles, what happens? The back end lifts up, steering wheel goes crazy, and your heart jumps out your chest, and it's just a catastrophe. Mazda has thought about all these things. So with linear braking system, same situation. When you slam on those brakes, and hopefully you never do, but if you need to, when you slam on those brakes, the back end of the vehicle stays perpendicular with the front end of the vehicle, so it doesn't lift up. The car stops on a dime, the steering wheel stays nice and straight, and you stay nice and safe. Once again, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda. Come see me at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. I'll look for you on the lot. Have a great day.